So we've got the GSP 350s today. These are the nice gaming head set, and these are the lower end. Well, they've got a GSP 300s, and that is about a year old, and this is probably about 8 or 9 months old as well. Then there's other stuff that I've done previously. So I've done the GSP 500s and then the GSP 600s, and then I'm going to just kind of compare like what you get for different prices. This is going to be, I think this is around £120 to buy, whereas all the other ones are really expensive. Plus you do need an amplifier with them to make it more impressive, more immersive sound, more detailed. And we want to check these out as well. So I asked Sennheiser to send them over because I really should have had these ages ago. Obviously you can see it's 2-year warranty. This has got 7.1 surround sound, Dolby surround sound anyway, and this is what this little connection thing is. It connects via micro USB and normal USB 2. And there's certain things that you don't get with it, so let's have a look anyway. But it's a nice little box like that, and there's Sennheiser logo on there. God damn it, looks like it's just something out of Star Wars. So you open it up, you get all the instructions, and you also can, it shows you somewhere where you can get your software to download. So this is a micro USB via 2 USB, and it's got the Sennheiser logo on there, so you won't get confused with what other cables you got. And then the Dolby surround sound cable is there, and I think it's about 1.75 meters long. And then you've got the actual headphone set itself, so let's move that to the side. And these feel like very soft, pleather in-ear, well, ear cups I would say. And then it's got like a print of like an ear inside. It's got like little drivers in there as well, so you can hear the sounds. It's meant to cancel out a bit of soundage as well. We're going to be trying to connect this to the camera so you can see what the sound sounds like for the microphone. It does have a clicking sensation, so as you can see, it's like when you click it, it kind of moves up and down, so you know that you actually clicked it. Bit of a flexible microphone as well for the mouthpiece. Sennheiser logo there, it's embroidered. Sennheiser logo there, embroidered. It's got a split design through here to give it more dissipation of heat when it's molded to your head, because technically, because it's like leather or pleather and it's connected and it's molded to your ears, and it's cancellation, loads of cancellation or noise cancellation that it can reduce, and plus it's clamped to your head. Not clamped to your head where it gives you fatigue, but clamped to your head enough where it cancels out sound. It's going to produce a lot of heat because it's really close to your skin. So they've cut out the top so it can obviously breathe a little bit more, and it's got like a velour obviously moulding top bit for your head to cushion it so it doesn't give you headaches and stuff. Then you've got the volume rocker on the side, and this feels really nice and easy to it just feels smooth, to be honest with you. But it's not as nice looking as obviously the GSP 500s, because it's got this sort of aluminium like look to it, and it feels really tough and straight. And then these are the 600s, which is that side. Looks the same, but the only thing that's different is that they've added a more of aggressive look to it, and it's got like 3 3 Allen screws to it. So I'm just going to screw this back up. By the way, it does have a cable which is a split up, but it comes with other cables as well, which I'm going to get to that in 1 second. So just looking at the GSP 600s, which are noise cancellation, because they got the same sort of thickness of ear like cups, but not as thick as obviously the more cheaper versions. You can see kind of like the difference, but what I like is the black and red. It does look pretty aggressive and stuff like that. It looks really nice. So that's the GSP 600s, whereas the GSP 500s are slightly open back headphones, and they've got a different they give you more of a wider sound stage where these don't, but it's trying to do that within 7.1 surround sound and noise cancellation. So with this, obviously I've only got, it says compatible with PC and obviously all other computers and stuff like that, but I have to download the software, which I'm going to do in 1 second, and I'm just going to show the cables really quickly what you get in there. So this is what it is. It's just, you press that button for audio, Dolby 7.1 surround sound on and off when you plug it into the micro USB connection, which is here. And then you just plug it into the computer, And then you just plug in the 2.5mm jack, goes in here, and it goes in by about a centimetre and a bit. And it's nice, this bit's just got a nice sensation when it goes in. So let's do the wearing test. Well, actually, before we even do that, let's have a look at it aesthetically. Aesthetically, £120, it's not bad. It does look okay. You can tell it looks plastic from a mile off, but it's still screaming that it's still premium product from a premium company like Sennheiser. Volume rocker does look more of a low graded volume, but it still does the trick. It goes up and down, but there's no clicking sensation to say that you've hit like a bottom end or high end of volume. It's got like a little glow to it. Feels really smooth. The ear cups will get like shiny in that from your ears if you get sweaty and stuff. Microphone looks kind of the same as all the other microphones, except for this one's got like an aluminium what's it called, trim, and then this has got like a red plastic trim, like it should glow up, but it doesn't. So yeah, there's only little things that I'm picking out here. The main thing is about the sound. So at least it's got its marks there left and right. No creaking, and it does click to the sensation where it is, and it does feel pretty light, lighter than the GSP 500s, and definitely lighter than the GSP 600s. Looks like you got a lot of room if you got a damn big head as well, so that's pretty cool. And flexible ear cups, would I say? Yep, flexible ear cups, squishy. Don't feel any, like these bits in the middle don't feel like they're gonna hurt my ears. But let's plonk them on. How does that look? Does that look good? They feel comfortable. Padding. If I tap the padding, I'll definitely hear that going straight through the headphones, but then it's all connected, so the sound dampening is working. Sounds good. Here comes the light for the Dolby 7.1 surround sound, so I'm just going to close this off. Right, so first off, let me download the software. So all you do is you go to Sennheiser's website, go to the headphones no, it's not over the ear. I'm actually looking for gaming peripherals. Where is that? Gaming. Click on gaming. GSP 600s come up. GSP 500s. GSP 350s. Then go to learn more. There you go, $119.99, and then we should need to go for the software, and then it's pretty hard to find, to be honest with you. So you've got GSP 350, that's the price of it there, and then you go down to where it says next level of gaming audio, download software here. Takes a few seconds, download it, install it, in my ear. So this is what it should look like anyway, so when you're talking. I can see it in my vision a little bit. Can't see it at all now in my vision. So that's where my mouth is though. And I could see it, but if I have it down there it should be alright. Pretty good LED light on there anyway. Shines up in the dark, but it's not too bad. So with the GSP 600, I think, did I get out of that box? You get an extra cable, so a 2.5mm jack and a 3.5mm jack, and then I'm surely able to play in the phone, because at the moment they only include the connection to connect to a PC, but whereas with the GSP 500s and 600s you get the extra cables to plug it straight in. So I've got a microphone jack and a headphone jack on that one, and a microphone jack and a headphone jack on that one, plus you get a single straight jack if you want to do other things with it. Oh, now we've got a white light. Oh, that sounds good. So after you download it, it'll be, if you're using Windows 10 Anniversary, it will come up at the bottom here in the corner. So you click on that, bring it over here. Now at the moment I've got Dolby, so when it's red at the moment, click on it and it's white. So one's activated, one's not. Don't know which is which. So that's off. Music, esports, ooh, game, equalizer, noise reduction on and off, and side tones, mid, high, and off. Right, so let's try some things with it. Fortnite. Oh, that sounds good. What I've also noticed that it stays on the screen. I can hear myself speaking. Oh, wow. Okay. Hi. Let's see what I sound like there. Oh, that's cool. Yes. 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 And off. Yes. Oh, not hearing myself at all. I can hear myself now. Hear myself a lot louder. Put on voice chat. I swear to God, this sounds better than the GSP 500s and the 600s. I'm going to have to test them again. I can hear myself in the background, but very lightly. It's like it sorts itself out. Wow. Oh my gosh. I can hear everything. Right, talk on here. Yeah, I got you. You're on the microphone. Talk so they can hear you.
Okay. Should we head to that?
What's that?
The drop.
Okay. If you are interested in headphones, do you know what? I'll give it 9.5 out of 10. And to be honest with you, the microphone was so immersive, and so was the sound. It was so, like, you could hear everything, literally everything, from £120 headphones. If you're getting into esports, or even if you're an esports player, I think you should definitely try listening to these. These are really, really freaking clear with the microphone. The detail was it was just superb. It was excellent. I just have to say 9.5 out of 10. You definitely have to buy these at £120. Buy them. Links in the description down below. Please, if you get the chance to even test these at an esports gaming event or anything like that, where these are about, or Sennheiser headphones about, go and check these out. Comfort, aesthetics, I would say probably 7.5 out of 10. Comfort, 8.5 out of 10. 9.5 out of 10 for sound quality, especially with the software and the microphone. And you can plug it into the phone. Superb, excellent. But the only thing is, it doesn't come with this cable. But I couldn't speak. I don't know if the microphone was working or they couldn't hear me properly through PUBG on the phone. But yes, it is so good. Really good. It doesn't even need an amplifier. So good. Anyway, subscribe, share, like, and favourite me on all favourites and social media platforms. Now I'll see you next one. Thanks for watching.